why you're not getting job as a freelancer. You send out generic proposals. Yes, you craft out a proposal and you send the same thing to 10, 20, and 30 people. All you do is change the names. Come on, don't be lazy and expect results. See, I know I said it's a game of numbers, but hey, how you do your numbers also matters a lot. I know you use templates, and there is nothing wrong with that. In fact, I have some templates I share with my students. But you must customize your proposals to each client's specific needs. Do a research of your client's business and niche so you can fully understand and state how you can help them reach their goals in your proposal. If possible, give them valuable advice they can easily implement and see results. Because there's thousands of others out there sending out proposals, and if you don't stand out, then you don't stand a chance. So put in the hard work now and get the results eventually. That is how it works. Like and follow for more.